Hey guys, welcome back to Cooking with Kelli. I am super excited for this show that I have coming up. I have an amazing special guest here with me today. The Mr. Tony Terry himself is here to cook up a delicious homemade chicken noodle soup. And you guys just wait till you see. I think that soup had him singing, y'all. So make sure you tune in, subscribe, tag a friend, follow me on Instagram, Cooking with Kelli, Nana's Chicken-N-Waffles, and I will see you guys soon. Hey guys, welcome back to another amazing show of Cooking with Kelli. And today I am cooking with an amazing, talented guest. The Mr. Tony Terry himself is here cooking with me today. Thank you so much for coming.
Oh, I'm happy to be here.
I'm amazing. I mean, we got some water.
Yeah, man, I'm ready to.
You've been singing, you know.
Now I'm ready to cook.
I love it. So thank you for joining me.
My pleasure.
So today we are going to cook up one of my amazing homemade chicken noodle soup dishes.
It's nothing like homemade chicken soup.
Nothing like it. It's nothing like it.
Yeah.
Do you cook it often?
I do.
You do?
Yeah.
Yeah, awesome. You know, it's like flu season. It's
right.
super cold here in Atlanta.
And it's super good.
And it's super good.
And it's simple, really.
And it's simple.
Yeah.
It's super hearty.
That's right.
Yeah. So I'm super excited for you.
There's some new ingredients in here that I don't usually use. So
It is.
I'm interested in checking that out.
It's the Kelly's way.
Yeah, Kelly's way.
It's the Kelly's way. You'll like it.
I know that I will. I know that I will.
So let's just dive into our first step, okay?
So what do we do?
So our first step, I like to use a bone-in chicken breast.
Okay, so I have to ask you, do you wash your chicken before?
I do. I know the CDC says you're not supposed to wash your chicken, but I mean, Nana is 80 years old.
She's still washing
chicken since 1939, and she looks damn good.
Right.
Okay? Ain't nothing wrong with her. So I think we're good.
Okay, good.
Yeah, I just believe you gotta wash off some of that excess and clean it, you know. And I also like to brine my fried chicken, so I'm big on that.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
Good.
You don't like to wash your chicken?
Well, I mean, I know that the CDC says that you don't have to.
Yeah.
I used to do it all the time, but then when I found out you don't have to, I did one time not wash it, but my wife didn't eat it. Did you wash your chicken? I was like, well, I read that you didn't have to.
She didn't
like, well,
eat it.
I'll eat the next time. You wash your chicken.
Wifey did the right thing. Look, we know better.
I ate the soup, I didn't get sick.
No, we know better. We know what's best. Yeah, so yes, I washed down my chicken and I patted it dry, of course. And we're just gonna go ahead and sprinkle a little salt and pepper on here.
Okay. Here's your salt.
Yeah, salt. Kosher salt.
Is that like?
Put your hand. Y'all get your hands dirty now. Get your hands dirty, Tony.
All right. Yeah, okay.
Look at that. Hey. Look, like salt baby.
All right, was that enough? Was that enough salt?
A
little bit more?
Yeah, just a little bit more. Just a little bit more.
Okay, all right.
You know I like to cook with
Right, salt brings out flavor. Right.
Look, ever since they told me that I didn't have enough salt in my grits on Food Network, I said I gotta heavily salt everything down. So I put a little extra love in there just in case.
Okay, well look.
Okay.
One more for Food Network.
One more for Food Network. There we go. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these into the boiling water right now, so we can go ahead and get yours cooked down.
Those are some big pieces too.
Some big pieces, right? They cooked down really good earlier. So next we're gonna go ahead and chop up our celery. Now Tony, tell me, I believe that you just had a movie that came out, right?
I did. It aired a couple days ago. It's called Martin, Malcolm, and Me.
Nice.
I got to play Malcolm X. Some people say I look like him.
You do look
think so?
like Malcolm
I
X.
don't think so, but
Oh
I thought
my
after
gosh.
the whole, with the glasses on, maybe I might look like him.
Yes. So tell me, how was it? Was it pretty interesting?
It was awesome because I learned things about him that I didn't know.
Nice. Nice.
It was more like, like people don't realize that Malcolm X was funny.
Yes. I didn't know that.
Yeah.
I had no clue. I
thought he was just ready to beat everybody up.
Yeah. Well, I mean, pretty serious. As a community activist, I would think that he would be, I would never think of being funny.
Right, yeah,
So it's very interesting. Awesome. So the crazy thing is, one of his daughters has actually visited my restaurant.
Oh, really?
Yeah. I forgot what which one it was.
So I got to have, in one of my friend's backyards in LA a few years ago, we were eating chicken wings with his wife.
Wow, that's amazing.
I was like, I'm sitting in the backyard eating chicken wings with
Yes.
her. So
That's amazing.
it was pretty interesting. The wings were good.
Awesome. The
I
wings
don't
were
think they
good.
washed the wings. I think they put them on the grill.
You know black people wash their wings. Stop it. You know we wash our wings. We wash them, we wash them, we wash them. So tell me, what else do you have going on? Any new music coming
Oh
my
yeah,
way?
I'm always in the studio recording. In fact, when I need to, I'm going straight to the studio.
Really?
Working on some new music, yeah. I'm trying to get something out by Valentine's Day. But
Oh my God, that's
we're
perfect.
close.
Yeah. You can do it. You can
I
do
think
it.
I can.
Let me know if
But
you need any like background dancers or singers. I might help you out a little bit.
Kelly, can you sing?
No, I mean,
You can help me out, like introducing me to other people.
absolutely, absolutely. I mean, I can throw it in there. You know, a little tune.
All right, that's cool. That's cool.
Give me a little auto tune. I might can do a little something. I mean,
But
it
what's
doesn't
this?
love us.
What's this?
That's just a little like chicken bouillon.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
That's a lot of chicken.
That is, we're not gonna use all of that.
So
but
wait,
just a little pinch.
do you use chicken stock in when you're making chicken soup?
I do use
Okay.
chicken stock.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah. So it's half water, half chicken stock.
Oh, yeah. That's the secret.
That's a little secret. See, you know, you cook.
Yeah.
So we have some fresh garlic.
Yeah.
Not as much, right? Gonna have some onion. This is a yellow onion. Okay.
So you mix the onions, you use different kinds of onion? In
No. I
Okay, so
just
this
use
is
yellow
yellow
onion.
onion.
Yes, yellow onion
Okay.
too.
Okay.
I have some baby carrots.
All right. I use grown-up carrots.
Do you do grown-up carrots?
Yeah.
Do they work out better?
Well, I mean, I just...
Okay, baby carrots. Look, I'm just gonna put a little bit of bell pepper in here for you because I don't want you to, I want you to go back home.
Now this I don't usually use. This is a combination
Really?
of...
So this is basil,
Yeah.
rosemary, and thyme.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All spices I like.
I like-
Just don't usually put in my soup.
Yes.
That's
really
good.
good.
Yeah.
You know, the good thing about soup is you can never go wrong
You
with
put anything
anything.
in it, right?
Soup
Whatever
is,
you like.
it is a melting
Yeah.
pot. You can
Exactly
literally
right.
put anything in there that you like. So if you want to put corn, if you want to put asparagus or spinach,
Potatoes,
potatoes,
right.
anything can be a soup.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I love soup
Yeah, me
when
too.
it's good and hearty. So we're gonna add this into our pot.
All right. Let me-
All right, so we're gonna let that cook down for about 30 minutes or so. But I heard that you just got a special key.
I did. I got a key to the city.
Oh my God, that is so
The
amazing!
question is what city?
What city? So what city did we get a
I
special
got
key
the
to?
key to the city of Stonecrest.
That's amazing! I love Stonecrest.
I do too.
The mayor comes to my restaurant all the time.
Yeah, it's like an up-and-coming city. Lots of exciting things are happening there. And, I'm going to use my voice to help shine the light on the city of Stonecrest.
Oh my God, how amazing is
I
that?
don't live in Stonecrest.
You don't live in Stonecrest
Yes.
at all? Yes. Are you moving to Stonecrest?
I'm thinking about it.
You're gonna be closer to the restaurant
I like
then.
the area.
It's a beautiful area.
Yeah.
Beautiful, it's up and coming. We
Yeah.
have so many amazing businesses in that
You
area.
can still get good property at a good price.
Yes, you can. Yes, you can. Yes, beautiful homes
Yeah.
out that way. I'm out that way.
Oh, you really?
Yeah, I'm out that way, and then my restaurant is about what, 2 or 3 exits up from
Oh,
Stonecrest.
wow, okay.
Yeah.
That's good to know.
Yeah,
I'm coming to see you soon.
You gotta come see me. You
Because I
gotta
saw
come
some
see me.
pictures in that book. Of some
Yes.
things that I might have.
You let me know when you're coming.
I
You and
will,
your
for
wife.
sure.
I would love to host you
Absolutely,
both at the
absolutely.
restaurant.
I'm looking forward to
Absolutely,
it.
absolutely. So tell me about this fitness journey. You know,
Well,
I'm not a fitness girl. I'm trying to get back into it for 2020. You know, everybody makes these unrealistic goals of fitness and working out, but you know, it's hard being a wife and an entrepreneur and a mother of 5.
You have 5 kids?
I do. I have 5
Come
girls.
on, girl. You just holding it down, yo. Good mother.
I have 5 girls.
That's awesome.
Yes.
That's
yes,
fantastic.
Yes.
I mean, you know, fitness has become very important to me. I mean, you know,
It's a lifestyle.
I'm a man of a particular age.
Yes.
I'm only 56 on my birthday.
What?
And
Oh my
you know,
gosh.
it's just important to just be fit, be
Just
healthy.
be fit.
Because you know, I spend most of my time on the road traveling, and I want to be in shape. I want to look good on stage too.
I
I
agree.
want to feel good.
You want to feel good.
Yeah.
And that's really what it's all about.
Yeah.
It's about feeling good. It's good to look good, but when you feel good,
Yeah.
I mean, it's just on a whole nother
Yeah,
level
absolutely.
of you know, just feeling good and being able to get things done and be a better you, a better person, a better spouse, a better parent.
So are you a person that makes resolutions?
I do and I don't. So I do vision boards.
Okay.
And that's how my restaurant became about. It was on a vision board, actually. So I have goals.
Okay, good.
You know, I like to set goals for myself. I don't know about resolutions.
Yeah, because I don't think resolutions. Because I think
it's hard.
This year,
I know. That's why I'm like 2020. You know, everybody's like in 2020, I'm not doing this, and I'm like, you're the same person.
Right. I'm gonna try to be a better person.
Yeah. I mean, my thing is, it's the same person. But you want to be a better person, right?
Yeah, of course. In general. But not just, at the beginning of the year.
Yes.
And I want to just be that way.
It should consistently be that way throughout the months of the year, really,
Yeah.
It's hard.
It does not cost a dime to be nice.
It doesn't. I think you'll do good. Yeah, so I do my vision board, but
I've never done a vision board.
You've never done a vision board?
Everything that has happened in my life, all the wonderful things, just happened.
Really?
You know what I mean? And
I gotta get you to do a vision board.
No, I'm gonna do one.
So you and your wife.
Just inspired me to do that.
No, I'm serious. You and your wife, one night, make it a date night.
Yeah.
Get a glass of wine.
Okay.
Get your pictures, get your books, get your board, and really, for me, it allows me to look at those goals visually.
A place to start.
It gives you a place to start, and it gives you a place to constantly reevaluate and look at, and it makes you change some decisions that you might make on a daily basis when you visually see where you're trying to go. Every day.
I hear that.
Yeah.
I hear that.
And I put it in my bathroom.
Toast to that.
Yeah, toast to that. Toast to vision boards.
Right.
They're amazing.
Get your vision board.
Get your vision board, y'all. I'm trying to tell you. I'm not having no vision board parties, so don't I'm not having no vision board parties. It's just me and the family, and we do our boards each year, and we work harder and strive, towards our goals.
That is a wonderful thing. It's a wonderful idea. I'm going to implement that.
Yeah, absolutely.
Thank you for that.
Absolutely. So let me check on our chicken noodle soup. We'll be right back. Alright guys, so we are back and our soup is done and it is smelling delicious. Amazing.
Smells yummy.
It smells yummy?
Yes,
Well, I think we did a pretty good job.
I think so too.
I think we did a pretty decent job. I can't wait. So have us some fresh baguette bread, okay? It's nothing like sopping it up, right?
Yeah, right.
I like to sop mine up. I don't know about you, but
Yeah, you got to get that chicken.
A little sop. All right.
We're going in?
Yeah, let's go for it. All right now.
Yeah, that's good.
It's good?
I remember saying,
Let me hear.
I know I've been changed.
Ooh.
You know what I'm talking about?
I know that.
Yeah, it's good.
I love it. Awesome.
Oh, yeah. Let me put this bread in this juice right here. Chop it up like that.
Stop it up now.
That's some good eating.
It's good eating.
That's good, Kelly.
You did it.
Yeah. We did it.
We did it. We did it
I gotta
together.
come see you.
Yes, come see me. Thank you again so much for coming over and cooking with myself. I had such an amazing time. I think you had an amazing time. I think we are nice and full.
And you're tipsy.
Cheers. You know it's never far away. Thank you guys. Make sure you come back for the next week and see who will be cooking it up with Kelly.